Alright, hi folks. Today I want to talk about unit conversions, and in particular I want to talk about something called dimensional analysis. And dimensional analysis sounds all fancy, but it's pretty much as simple as multiplying by 1. So here we have 1, which equals 2 over 2, for example. But it can also equal something like this. That's just because 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, and 12 inches over 12 inches is just 1. This is the basic underlying principle of dimensional analysis. So I want to give an example to just kind of solidify all of this stuff. Human fingernails grow at a rate of about 0.1 millimeters per day. I'm going to write it like this as a ratio. And you'll see why in a moment. Now, the question is, how long would your fingernails be in feet if you let them grow for 10 years without trimming them? To solve this problem, I just need to convert units and then multiply by 10 years. I'm just going to multiply by 1. Does anybody know off the top of their head how many millimeters are in an inch? Pop quiz.
Is it 25.4?
That's right, that's correct. Very nice. And of course we have 12 inches in 1 foot. And then we're looking for the length of the fingernails after 10 years. So at the very end, I'm going to multiply by 10 years. So the real beauty of dimensional analysis is that this is just one big fraction, right? So we have units on the top and the bottom of the fraction that will divide out, will cancel. For example, days will cancel, and millimeters, and inches. And we're left with feet per year times years, which will give us an answer that will be only in feet, which is what we want. So can someone do me a favor and enter that calculation in? Just the top part of the fraction divided by the bottom part of the fraction here, all the way across.
I'm getting 1.2.
Okay. You want to take some care when you were picking your nose. So that's the underlying principle of dimensional analysis. That we can take whatever we have initially in units that we want to convert and multiply by successive ones. And what we'll end up with is an equivalent result that is in the units that we desire. And that's the lesson for today. So I do have a way of remembering all of the aspects of dimensional analysis. I'll just write it out on the board as a little cheer for us. Alright folks, so repeat after me. Dimensional analysis is second to none.
Dimensional analysis is second to none.
Multiply by 1 for maximum fun.
Multiply by 1 for maximum fun.
And now all together. Dimensional analysis is second to none. Multiply by 1 for maximum fun.